guys, today we're going to make simple, easy and delicious rice cutlets. They're very easy to make and can be enjoyed as a snack or for a meal. So let's begin with the ingredients. 1.5 cups of cooked rice, 5 boiled potatoes, half a cup of chopped peppers, 1 finely chopped onion, a quarter cup of coriander leaves, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, as if you wish you could use basin instead, chopped green chilies to taste, cumin seed or zeera powder, 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, chaat masala 2 tablespoons. If you want to know how to make homemade chaat masala, check the link in the description, red chili powder to taste, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, or you may use lemon juice. Firstly, you're going to mash your potatoes. Then after that, you're going to mix all your ingredients into one bowl. That's why every cutlet recipe is very easy to prepare, as all the ingredients are just mixed in one bowl. Now we're going to make the cutlet shape, so get a bit of your mixture and roll it up in the palm of your hands. And then with your fingers flatten and seal the edges so there are no cracks. And that cutlet is ready to fry. Now we're just adding a tiny bit of olive oil, get any oil you want, and heating it up in a pan so we can fry our cutlets. And place the cutlets and let them fry golden brown on each side. Make sure you fry on a medium flame and turn them over once they have reached golden brown on one side. And cook both sides the same. They don't take that long to cook. Once they reach this colour, drain out the oil and you can take them out. Place on a kitchen towel to drain out oil. So here we have our delicious, simple and easy rice cutlets. You can enjoy it with any sauce you want. We just got yogurt here. You can have any sauce. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out some other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.